Hey drone enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting features of the FIMI X8 TELE, its maximum flight distance. Whether you are a seasoned drone pilot or just starting out, knowing your drone's flight range is key to unlocking its full potential. Let's find out just how far this drone can go and what you need to know about its capabilities. Before we take to the skies, let's take a quick look at the FIMI X8 TELE itself. The new generation SoLink real-time HD video transmission system offers a maximum 10 clicks range, supports 2.4 and 5.8 GHz dual frequency bands, and has latency as low as 120 milliseconds for smooth video feed. Now, what exactly does the 10 clicks range mean? Well, under optimal conditions, you can send your drone flying far beyond the horizon, allowing for breathtaking aerial footage and unique perspectives that are simply not possible with lower range drones. Weather conditions play a major role. High winds, poor GPS signal, and interference from obstacles like tall buildings or trees can all limit the drone's ability to reach its full potential. A quick but important reminder when flying long distances: avoid flying in urban environments or areas with high level of interference, like buildings, power lines, or dense tree coverage. These obstacles can weaken the drone signal and pose a safety risk. Additionally, always follow local regulations and airspace restrictions. In many regions, there are laws regarding how far and high you can fly, as well as no-fly zones, especially near airports or other restricted areas. Respecting these rules not only keeps you safe, but ensures the responsible use of drones in shared airspace. Safety is key. The X8 TELE features an automatic return to home function, which ensures that the drone will return to you if it loses signal or when the battery is running low. It's a great safety net when you are pushing that range. So, is 10 clicks the maximum you should push for? Well, let's put that theory to the test. Enjoy the December scenery and stay with me until the end of this video to see if the FIMI X8 TELE can actually execute a 10 clicks flight. today's video we discovered that 10 clicks isn't just a theoretical range, it's actually a reality. We pushed the FIMI X8 TELE to its limits and managed to achieve an impressive 9 kilometers on a single flight with 15% battery remaining capacity when we landed. All in all, the FIMI X8 TELE offers an impressive range, making it a versatile tool for both hobbyists and content creators alike. Just remember, the farther you fly, the more critical it becomes to monitor your drone's battery and signal strength. Flying long distances can be exhilarating, but always be mindful of these factors to ensure a safe and successful flight. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more drone-related tips, reviews and guides. Let us know in the comments how far have you taken your FIMI X8 TELE. I'm excited to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching and safe flying.